Question 9 is an applied arithmetic question. Quite a few of you mixed up years and percentage. So this question, when you know how to do it the quick way, instead of doing each year, it's 1 plus the interest rate, 1.05, and the power is the years. A lot of you did 1.04 to the power of 5, so just be careful with this one. So type this into a calculator, you are going to get 4375.8225. I'll write them off for now. 8225, and then we check our answer. Nearest cent will be 82. So 4375.82 euros is what you would have if you invested your money. So now we have this kind of question, works in reverse. Tom, how much would he need to invest? So we're not sure. This is like, let's call it the amount he invested. A times 1.05 would be 5%, so 1.058 to the power of 4. If we copy the thing from above, that's going to be equal to the answer this time will be 89,000. So the amount that we would need to invest, we'd have to divide by the 1.058. So it's the same sum, but it's just checking your higher level math skills to kind of not panic and be able to manipulate formula in the correct way. So the amount needed to be invested, type it into a calculator. It comes out as 71,030.903. So 0.9, and it's to the nearest euro. So 71,031. What I do is I just double check 71,031 if this was what we invested by 1.058 to the power of 4. What would that give in a calculator? It's going to be rounded it slightly, but you should see that it's 89,000. It gives 89,000.12 just from the rounding, so you can just double check to see that you're correct. Next question here is this classic income tax question. A earns 64,000 an annum. If you do business studies, you do have a slight advantage. The standard cutoff is 35,000. So what I get you to do, if you've followed my method, we write how much he earns, then we write the standard cutoff, 35,000, and the difference between these numbers is 29. That's what we pay the higher rate of tax at. What's the rates of tax here? 21%, 0.21, and 41%, 0.41. We work out these two answers. We get 7350, and then 29,000 by 41% is 11,890. So this is called your gross tax. If we add these two numbers together, we get 19,240, and I'll put down what it is. That's gross tax. The government give us money back when we're taxpayers. It's called a tax credit, so it reduces our tax liability. So we minus the tax credit, which is 2,800, and then that gives us our net tax. And we're not asked for that in this question, we're asked for take home pay. So 19,240 minus 2,800 is 16,440, and our take home pay is the 64,000 minus the 16,440, which is going to give me 48,47,560. Could be asked for weekly, could be asked for monthly, dividing by 12, or dividing by 52.